Fogata Restaurant. Going to have some Mexican restaurant. Mexican food at the Mexico restaurant. Yeah, this got good food here. It's tasty. Been here several times. Nice place. Hey, this is cool, man, Luke. I'm at La Fogata Restaurante. It's a Mexican restaurant. I'm over meeting some enchiladas. Right now, I'm eating these chips, these more tortilla chips. You've seen me eat tortilla chips in the past. Well, I'm not gonna show you how I eat these. I'm gonna show you my enchiladas. Okay, my meal came. This stuff is so good. I like this food. It's such a tasty, tasty dish. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna start eating. And that's all I'm gonna say about it. Is that this is delish. I must say it's better than McDonald's, it's better than the doggone hot dogs. Okay, man, that was awful good, man. I'm ready to go, ready to start going to other places now. Everything's cool. Copacetic.